Hi, this is Raman. Welcome to another episode of the 10,000 Trade Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. Today, we'll take a look at how to trade with Heiken Ashi Candlesticks. Heiken Ashi Candlesticks are really good for trading trends, for staying in a trending move. So if you find a regular candlesticks confusing, you can look at Japanese candlesticks. What they do is smooth out the price action, and as a result of that, you see more smoother moves, and when you see the price turn, you can exit the trade. So let's go on to the charts. We'll take a look at what the Heiken Ashi candlesticks look like, where to enter the trade, what criteria you're looking for, where to place your stop loss, and most importantly, how to exit the trade with a profit. Here we'll take a look at how to use Heiken Ashi candlesticks to trade Forex. So one of the biggest benefits of Heiken Ashi candlesticks is that it smooths the price action. So if you have a trouble looking at the candles, just the regular price action, this is a good way to kind of get over that and figure out where the trend is going. So that's the most important benefit here. What you will notice when you're trading Heiken Ashi candlesticks or you're using Heiken Ashi candlesticks is that when the trend is to the downside, all the pins will be in the bottom and the price action will be smooth, or the candles will be smooth on the top. Whereas if the price action or the momentum is to the upside, you'll see the pins on top and the bottom will be smooth. So that's how the Heiken Ashi candlesticks work. Other than that, the same rules for support and resistance and other things will apply with Heiken Ashi candlesticks as well. So in this case, what we have is we see that trend has been coming down. So if we just look over here, price has been moving to the downside. It consolidates here, and now we are looking for a continuation trade to the downside. So in this case, what I would like to see is a couple of good solid candle close to the downside. So here we see that price is struggling with this resistance level. Price goes into this resistance level, and then we see red candles start to form. So another thing to keep in mind with Heiken Ashi is that you can, when the momentum changes in the market, the candle colors will change as well, and it will stay that way until the momentum has shifted once again. So in this case, we have blue candles, and then it starts to go sideways here, and then we start to get solid candles. So I like to see two solid candles here. So we're looking for a trade to the downside. So we are waiting for two solid candle closes here. So here we see that, whereas these candles are very tiny, we do not want to get into tiny candles because that does not really show too much momentum. Once we get solid candles, that shows us that momentum is actually shifting now, and it's a good time for us to enter the trade. So here we enter the trade short because we have two red candles. After the second candle closes, we'll enter the trade short here. So our stop would go above the pins here, above this resistance level, and we want to give it some room just in case price decides to come back and test the level once again. So we enter the trade short, and as we see here, the candles are red. They're pointing to the downside. We have small little candle here which is green, but there's no follow through, so we just stay with our trade. And as we can see, it comes into the next support level here, and then we start to see price bounce off. And to exit the trade, I use the same strategy here. I want to see two candles in the opposite direction. We see that candles have changed color, and we have two solid candles here that are blue. So we exit the trade here. From entry to exit, we get 57 pips in our trade. So just to recap, Heiken Ashi candles are good to find momentum, to find trend in our marketplace. So in this case, we're looking for price to drop. We see that price is holding below this resistance level. So we're looking for good solid red candles because we're looking for an entry to the downside. So once we get two solid red candle closes, we enter our trade on the third candle here. Our stop would go on the other side of this resistance level, and we stay with the trade as long as price is coming down here. All our candles are red, and then price comes into the next support level and we see price shift now. The momentum is shifting to the upside. We see two blue candles, solid blue candle closes here. So that's time for us to exit the trade. From entry to exit, we get 57 pips in our trade. So our profit is 57 pips or $570 when trading one standard lot. If you enjoyed this video and would like to join me in the trade room, I am currently running a special promotion. As part of the trade room, you get access to the weekly market overview that I do every Sunday. You also get to join my private Skype group where I share my trade ideas and commentary as the live market unfolds. I also provide live trade setups and live entries with stop loss and take profit targets. As well as you get access to the daily market analysis call that we do every evening, and we go through over 20 pairs and we've looked for the best trade setups in those pairs, and you will get levels that you can take trades from yourself as well. Even if you're not taking my trades that I call, you can take your own trades based on the analysis that we do together. There's also a members only webinar every Friday. This is an educational webinar, and this is where I pick a topic every Friday that I think will be meaningful to the members of the trade room, and I go in depth into that topic. As a bonus, you will get the pivot point indicator with this. Then the cost of that is $97 if you were to just buy it on its own. Plus, you get my Learn to Trade Forex course. So this is the course that I sell on my website for $497, which you get as a free bonus for signing up for this. Now, the cost for this promotion is $997 a year. Generally, I was charging $97 a month. So just for the trade room, it would have cost you $1,200 for the year. But this way, you only pay $997 for the entire year. So you get 2 months free trade room access, as well as you get the Forex course, which is worth $497, as well as my pivot point indicator and the pivot point course that goes with it. This is a great deal because as of end of September, the prices will go up. I am changing a few things in my business and changing the focus a little bit. So I will not have any monthly promotions for the trade room because it just creates too much churn for me and takes my focus away from trading. So going forward, the regular price for the trade room plus the course will be $3,000. I'm revamping the course, adding more mindset type of stuff, more fundamentals, and a little bit more advanced trading strategies as part of the trading course. So basically revamping the entire course. So if you sign up now, you will get access to the new course as well as part of this. So great deal, a great time to join the trade room. Right now, we are coming into some great trading months. September through December tend to be good trading months. So this is a good time for us to get back into trading and good time to make some money. So if you would like to join me, you can go to this link here, bit.ly/yearly trade room. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this trade setup. If you like this video, please comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. That's it for today. I will see you next time.